To get started, first, type your search. Next, press on the extension. As you can see, we have many different functions in this extension. I will use extract listings. And there you go. We extracted the listings in this page. To extract more, press Add to Export List. Then go to the next page. Now press Add to Export List again. And go to the next page again. Do this as many times as you like. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension again. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting it, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say I want to get the reviews of this list. Okay, so let's press on it. Now, let's scroll down to reviews. And then press show all 49 reviews. Now, press on the extension. As you can see, extract listing reviews is now available. Let's press on that. We extracted 24 comments. To extract more, simply scroll down. As you can see, we extracted all 49 reviews. Now to export this, add to export list, then press on the extension again, then press export. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted.